You probably made fun of them as a child, but beans are one of the best foods on the planet for women over 50 struggling with high blood sugars, diabetes, pre-diabetes, high blood pressure or cholesterol, or even menopausal weight gain. That's why today I'm sharing my favorite way to cook with them. But before I dive in, I wanted to quickly introduce myself. My name's Anna Rakoczy and I'm the founder of Homemade Method. We're a life-changing cooking and lifestyle program dedicated to helping women in their 50s, 60s and 70s take back control of their health and achieve incredible health results in the most simple yet proven ways possible. We've helped over 10,000 members make tiny tweaks and simple switches to lower blood pressure, blood cholesterol and blood sugars, reduce body pain and inflammation, and even lose weight from 10 pounds to over 100 pounds without dieting. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know some good news. After years of struggling with my own weight and eating, I've now been able to finally achieve and maintain my ideal weight for over a decade without dieting. And I'm so passionate about helping other women like you do the same that I'm hosting a free workshop called Cooking for Perfect Weight and Blood Numbers, where I'll teach you the 3 secrets to start taking back control of your health, lowering those lab numbers and dropping those dress sizes today. So if you want to join us, just click the link below at any time to RSVP. Now, to get started on the real reason you're watching today's video, I'm sharing one of my hearty bean recipes we cover in week 7 of our program. It's a 4-bean salad with crumbled feta cheese. So, to get started, you just want to grab a large mixing bowl and we're going to be combining some chopped tomatoes, some red bell pepper, a bit of onion or shallots, and then of course the mystery ingredient is our beans. Now, the amazing benefit about beans is that they're super inexpensive and they have an infinite amount of health benefits. They're even a clean source of protein. They're rich in antioxidants, which is known to fight various cancers, full of fiber, which can help regulate blood sugars and fight diabetes. And they're even linked to improving high cholesterol and gut health. And not to mention, they're absolutely delicious. So to continue with the recipe, we're going to be using 1 cup of green beans, which I blanched earlier in boiling water for about 2 minutes and then dump it in an ice bath for it to cool. And then we're going to be adding some fresh herbs to make our flavors. So first of all, we're going to be adding some of this fresh mint and then some fresh parsley. And we're going to be adding a salad dressing that I made earlier. This is just a mix of apple cider vinegar, olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper, and a little bit of brown sugar. So we just drizzle this on and then we add some crumbled feta. Put this down. And we're just going to toss it all together. And that looks and smells so delicious, and you have a salad that's nutritious and delicious. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to start enjoying the powerful health benefits of beans today. So on your next trip to the grocery store, make sure you grab a few packs or cans. Now, if you liked today's video, don't forget to join me for my next free online workshop. It's all about cooking for perfect weight and blood numbers. In it, I'll be sharing the 3 secrets to losing weight, lowering your lab numbers, and getting off those medications without dieting. I'll be covering number 1, the 1 barrier to hitting health and weight loss goals over 50. Find out the number 1 reason why you haven't been able to lose and keep it off. It's not what you think or what everyone in the weight loss industry is telling you, and how to instantly change it. Number 2, you'll learn our proven cook, eat, listen formula to eat whatever you want and still get results. You'll discover a new way of eating that our members have used to lose weight without dieting, calorie counting, or any restrictions. I normally share this exclusively with our paying program members, and I'm sharing it with you in this free workshop. And number 3, you'll learn the easiest way to improve your lab numbers. You'll learn the easy, fast, and totally natural way that our members have reversed high lab numbers to normal levels and gotten off their medications. You'll hear stories from real members who've changed their health and their lives in just a couple of months. So if you'd like to join us, just use the link below to reserve your free spot. But we do have a limited number of seats available and they're filling up quickly. So don't hesitate to RSVP now using the link below, and I'll hope to see you there. Bye now.